tugiye kureba amagambo abiri arimo how much versus how many. Aya magambo yose ni amagambo twifashisha dushaka kumenya ingano y'ikintu cyangwa se ibintu n'ibingahe. Ushaka nko kubaza ngo iki kintu kigura ngahe, hari abantu bangahe, ese hari intebe zingahe, mbese uburyo bwose ushobora kubazamo ingano y'ikintu twifashisha aya magambo abiri, how much and how many. Abantu benshi bakunda kwitiranya ugasanga bakora amakosa mu rurimi rw'icyongereza bitewe nuko batazi kuyatandukanya ndetse no kuyakoresha bikwiriye. Icyo nicyo tugiye kwiga uyu munsi, ariko mbere yuko dutangirane n'ingero. Banga ibyo tugiye kureba, here are 10 examples of questions using how much and how many along with their answers. Tugiye kureba ibibazo 10 bitangizwa n'amagambo arimo how many ndetse na how much mu rwego rwo kwiga uburyo ki aya magambo agenda akoreshwamo. Okay, examples with how much. Izi ni ingero zijyanye na how much. How much is for uncountable nouns. Noneho how much ikoreshwa ku bintu bitabarika. Iyo mvuze ikintu kitabarika bamvuze nyine ibintu utabasha kubara kimwe kimwe. Urugero, amazi ntabwo wayabara. Niba utabaranga irizi rimwe irizi abiri, aho dukoresha ijambo how much. Umuceri ntabwo wawubara, isukari ntabwo wawubara, ntabwo wayibara ngo bare kamwe tubiri, ababibara mu buryo bw'ikiro. Turaza gutangirana n'urugero rwa mbere rugira ruti question, how much water do you drink every day? Bivuze ngo unywa amazi angana iki buri munsi. How much water do you drink every day? Unywa amazi angana iki buri munsi. Nabwiye yuko ikiza no gufata agakaye n'agakaramu mukajya mwandika ubusobanuro bw'ikintu tuvuze, ukandika n'uburyo kigisomamo. Okay, ugiye gusubiza ashobora gusubiza kugira ngo I drink about 2 liters of water every day. Bivuze ngo nywa litiro 2 z'amazi buri munsi. Ubwo ngubwo nagerageje kujya nibaza ikibazo kanagisubiza mu rwego rwo kujya munasobanukirwe ese ikintu niba kitabarika ngo kamwe kamwe bakibara mu buhe buryo. Muhita mubona yuko amazi abarwa mu buryo bw'amaritiro nyine. Okay, thank you. Muraza kunyemera tudatinze tugere kuri number 2. Ku rugero rwa kabiri dufite ikibazo kivuga ngo how much money do you have? Bivuze ngo ufite amafaranga angana iki. How much money do you have? Ufite amafaranga angana iki. Ibi bita bikubwira yuko ijambo money cyangwa se amafaranga atabarika. Ntabwo twabara ngo kamwe tubiri utura 500, igihumbi, 2 ndetse n'ibindi. Hanyuma usubiza ashobora kukubwira ngo I have 50 in my wallet. I have $50 in my wallet. Bivuze ngo mfite amadolari 50 mu ikofi yanjye. I have 50 wallet. I have $50 in my wallet. Mfite amadolari 50 mu ikofi yanjye. Muraza kunyemera tudatinze tugera ku rugero rwa gatatu, ruraza gukomeza kudufasha gusobanukirwa neza ki uburyo ki ijambo how much ryifashishwamo, tuza gukurikirana n'ijambo how many kugira ngo aya magambo mumenye ko yatandukanye no kuyakoresha atazagira iryongera kugucanga. Number 3, gatatu, how much rice do we need for dinner? How much rice do we need for dinner? Bivuze ngo ese dukeneye umuceri ungana iki ku bya nijoro nyine. Ni nko kubaza ngo dukeneye guteka umuceri ungana iki. Haye murabizi ntabwo yatumubwira ngo urateka imiceri 1000, 200, 1300, imiceri bafite uburyo bayipimamo. Niyo mpamvu dukoresha ijambo how much kwa ko umuceri utabarika. Bakaba bakubwira ngo we need 2 cups of rice. Bivuze ngo dukeneye ibikombe 2 by'umuceri. Okay, ntabwo bavuga ngo imiceri 400. We need 2 cups of rice. Dukeneye ibikombe 2. Igikombe mubabitsa yuko hari ibikombe bipima inusu, wakora 2 akaba ari kilo. Ubwo nibyo baba bari gusobanura. Okay, muraza kunyemera tugere ku rugero rwa 4. Urugero rwa 4 ruragira ruti how much sugar is in this cake? Ese iyi cake irimo isukari ingana gute, ingana iki? How much sugar is in this cake? Ese iyi cake irimo isukari ingana iki? Ugusubiza akaba akubwira ngo there are 3 tablespoons of sugar in this cake. Bivuze ngo harimo ibiyiko 3 by'isukari muri cake. Birumvikana neza ko dukoresha how much sugar iyo tugeze ku isukari, kwa ko isukari itabarika. Ikintu cyose kitabarika, milk, ibintu byose bisukika, ibiki bitabarika byose dukoresha how much. Muraza kunyuma tugere ku rugero rwa 5 duhita tunyarukira kuri how many turebe nayo uburyo kigikoreshwa mutazongera kubyitiranya. Number 5, we have a question that ask like this, how much time do we have left? Ese dusigaranye igihe kingana iki? How much time do we have left? Ese dusigaranye igihe kingana iki? Byumvikanisha neza yuko igihe ntabwo wakibara. Okay, how much time do we have left? Ese dusigaranye igihe kingana iki? A bakakubwira ngo we have only 10 minutes left, dusigaranye iminota 10 gusa. Ubwo ni nk'igihe mwamufite gahunda mukabona igihe kiri kubasiga mu rumwe akabazo uti dusigaranye igihe kingana iki, wenda kumwe dusigaranye iminota 10 bakagera vava mu rwego rwo kugira ngo banoze gahunda. Muraza kunyemera tuze gukomereza kuri how many mu rwego rwo kureba uburyo ki amagambo y'abakoreshwa mutazongera kwitiranya no gukora amakosa mu rurimi rw'icyongereza. Examples with how many for countable nouns. No, how many ni ijambo twifashisha tubaza ingano y'ibintu bibarika. Inzu zingahe, imodoka zingahe, imwe, ebyiri, eshatu, nk'ubwo buryo, nk'ubwo rwego. Okay. Number 6, urugero ikibazo kiraza ngo how many books are on table. Ku meza hariho ibitabo bingahe. Ibitabo birabarika, igitabo kimwe, bibiri, bitandukanye no kwavuga ngo agaceri kamwe, uduceri tubiri. Aho dukoresha how much ibintu bitabarika, tugakoresha how many ku bintu bibarika. How many books are on table, ese ku meza hari ibitabo bingahe. Wo gusubiza akakubwira ngo there are 5 books on the table, bivuze ngo hari ibitabo 5 ku meza. As simple as that, there are 5 books on the table, hari ibitabo 5 ku meza. Number 7, question goes like this: how many friends do you have? Ese ufite inshuti zingahe? How many friends do you have? Ese ufite inshuti zingahe? Bivuze ngo inshuti zirabarika. I have 10 close friends. Ufite inshuti 10 zimba hafi nyine. My close friends nyine ni inshuti zazikuba hafi bya cyane nyine. I have 10 close friends. Ufite inshuti 10 zimba hafi. Okay, tudatinze muraza kunyemera tugere kuri number 8. Umunani uragira uti how many apples did you buy? Ese waguze pome zingahe? How many apples did you buy? Ese waguze pome zingahe? Undi agahera akavuga ngo I bought 6 apples. Naguze pome esheshatu. I bought 6 apples. Naguze pome esheshatu. Number 9 goes like this: how many cars are in the parking lot? Nyine muri parking harimo imodoka zingahe. Okay, how many cars are in the parking lot? Mu mwanya wo guparikamo hari imodoka zingahe. That's good. Bakaba kugira ngo there are about 20 cars in the parking lot. Harimo imodoka 20 nyine mu mwanya wo guparikamo, cyangwa se mu mwanya wo guparikamo harimo imodoka 20. There are about 20 cars in the parking lot. Muraza kunyemera tudatinze tugere kuri number 10, which is the last one. Number 10 question goes like this: how many chairs do we need for the party? Bivuze ngo dukeneye intebe zingahe muri iki kirori. How many chairs do we need for the party? Dukeneye intebe zingahe muri iki kirori. Abantu mukunda gutegura ibirori murabizi, utegura umubare w'intebe ushingiye ku bashyitsi watumiye. Rero ushobora kwibaza uti how many chairs do we need for the party? Dukeneye intebe zingahe muri iki kirori. Undi akagusubiza ngo we need 15 chairs for the party. Dukeneye intebe 15. 15 chairs, intebe 15. Hanyuma ndabasaba mukomeze gukora subscribe, mudushyigikire, musharinge. We love you so much. We love you by hearts. So never disappoint us. Share, subscribe, leave a heart. We love you so much. Thank you.